Morning student, I am Shailesh Kumar and in this video we will solve the question of topic comparison in whole numbers or natural numbers. So let's start. In this video we will learn the concept of comparison with the help of some cotton swab and popsicle sticks. So get ready for the activity. So with the help of these two products, I will bring the concept of greater and smaller. First of all, I will use these popsicle stick to make two squares. Okay. After that, we go on the number for the concept of greater than or smaller than. Now, by using the popsicle stick, I have made two squares. This is the first square and this is the second square. In these square, which is smaller and which is greater? By visualization, we can see that this one is greater. Okay. So, mathematically, to show this is the second one is greater, we will use a symbol with the help of, I will make that symbol with the help of these cotton swabs. So, which is greater, that side is open for these symbol. Clear? Now this is the symbol for the greater than, and this is showing that first and second, and by this activity we can say that second square is greater than first square. So as a result we can say that second is greater than 1 mathematically, and in the language second is greater than first. After this I will disturb this arrangement and come to the number as per our mathematical approach and decide the greater or smallerness of the digits. Here I have two groups of popsicle sticks, and this is the group number second and this is the group number first. Here it is very clear that which group has more member. The first group is having more member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is having 7 member and this is having only 5 members. So where the collection is greater, so we can say that in the group first the collection is greater and in the group second the collection is smaller. So mathematically I will use these cotton swabs and make this symbol, and the open side will lead to the greater one. Okay, which is greater? The first group is greater, therefore the open side is toward first collection, and this means to say that first selection is greater than second selection. Now here you will see, if I skip these two, then which symbol will be there? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The counting of the member in the both group is same. Therefore, no one is greater and no one is smaller. Both are equal. Therefore, I will use this equal symbol here. In this case, the first collection is equal to second collection. Now, if I take another 2 from the first group, then which symbol will be appropriate here? Now here this symbol will be there because the member in the second group are greater than the first group. There are 5 members, there are 3 members. The collection in the second group is more than the first group. So now the symbol has its open side towards second group. So the second is greater than first, and we can say first is smaller than second. In this way, mathematically, we will use this greater than symbol as per the given numericals. One thing I make you clear that comparison is only in the same kind of items. If the kind of the item are not same, then we can't think of any comparison. Just like this. These items are different and these are different. So there is no question of comparison between these two or more than two items if they are not of same kind. Comparison is possible only in this case or this case and not in this type of case. Comparison is possible only if the items are of same kind. Just like this group involves sketch pen and the second group is a collection of sketch pen. We can compare these, but we can't think of to compare the sketch with popsicle sticks. Clear? So in this case we will say no comparison is possible. To make comparison we will have to compare the same kind of things. Now we will solve the question that under the heading which of the pairs is greater. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs and we have to compare that which is greater and which is smaller. First of all, among these 4 pairs I will see those where the number of digits are same. Here 740, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. The number of digits in the two pair is same. So I will mark it, and here the number of digits are not same. Here 3 digits and here 2 digits. So clearly this is not same. And here 7382 and here 7283. The number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of digits are same. So I will mark a tick. And in this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number of digits are not same in second and fourth. So the question is which in the pair second and the pair 4 which is greater. So it is very clear where the number of collection is more, that which greater. So without any confusion we can say that 860 is greater than 86 and here 8 this numeral having 6 digit is smaller than the numeral having 7 digits. So now the two parts are very easy to observe the greater or smaller. Now we come to the part first and part third. Here we will observe the digits from the leftmost place. Which is the leftmost place? Here 7 and here 7. These are same. Now if they are same, then you will have to move to right. Now in this one there is 4 and this is 0. Now which is greater? 4 is greater or 0 is greater? Clearly 4 is greater. So 740 is greater than 704. This was the second. And now the third one is here the leftmost digit is 7 these are same. So we'll move to the right, and this is 3 and this is 2. Now which is greater? 3 is greater. Therefore the number 7382 is greater than 7283. In this way we can easily compare the given pair, that which is greater and which is smaller. Here the second part is every whole number has its predecessor. Every whole number has its predecessor. Every whole number has its predecessor. If I take 0, then there is no predecessor of the whole of this for this whole number. So it is false. Again, 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number. That is okay. After 0 there is no whole number. So 0 is also 0 is on the leftmost end. Therefore this is true. Now the fourth question is the predecessor of every 2-digit number is a single digit number. Every 2-digit number predecessor is a single digit number. If I take a 2-digit number 10, then its predecessor will be 9. But if I take a number 2-digit number 23, and then its predecessor will be 22. So here the predecessor is single digit number, and here the predecessor is 2-digit number. So it is not sure. Therefore it is false. Now the fifth question is between any two non-consecutive whole numbers there lies a whole number. Non-consecutive. Consecutive whole number means 2, 3 or 5, 6 or 11, 12. But in the question there are the part of consideration is non-consecutive whole number. So non-consecutive, I will take example 2 and 4. Now if 2 and 4 are two non-consecutive whole number, for example 2 and 4 are non-consecutive whole number, then there lies a whole number. Yes, always there will be a whole number between these two non-consecutive whole numbers. Just in a particular example there is a 3. Similarly, if you take 4 and 6, then you will find 5. So it is true. So in this video we have learned the proper way of comparison of two numerals, and also we have verified some given facts about natural number and whole number. Thank you.